It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Hi guys! So dahil mag-gender reveal kami, so yung theme namin is Mario, Super Mario, ganon. Itong box, eto, ididikit ko siya dito. So, dito. So, bali ipapunch lang ganon. So, if ever na lalaki siya, dahil si Luigi si Theon, if lalaki, Mario, pag babae, yung princess. Tapos, if yung baby naman ng kapatid ko is, dahil Mario si prince, if yung ma-punch na is si Luigi, it means lalaki, and babae si princess. So, let's start the making of the box. Box natin. Here it is. Si Mario, si Luigi, or si Princess na lang ang ilagay dito. So, yung kapatid ko na lang ang bahala kung paano niya i-close to. Tapos, yan. So, this is the finished product. Okay guys, see you!
Yan o. Ewan ko lang sa lasa.
そして2人のお姉ちゃんの子供2人を元気に生まれることができるようにお願いします。そしてこれから食べますので感謝していただきます。この祈りそばの名前によってお願いします。アーメン。
Mamaya, pagtapos may mag-video mo. Yeah. Wait, but just you know what you're gonna do? You're gonna punch this. Punch, you open this. There's, and then you get inside. There's something inside. Listen to that. There's something inside. You're gonna get it. You punch this one, make a hole, and then get it inside. Okay? Okay? Are you ready? Wait. Mommy will count.
1, 2, 3, go!
Ay, malapit na. It's okay. Malapit na. Go. You.
Bobby, go!
Wait, isa pa. Wait lang. One. Okay.
Okay, done.
Kasi, tunta.
We have a pitch.
Sabihin niya ko na yun din. Paano pag kamay ko? Okay,
Bakit kayo may bahay para kaya mo dun?
Papa.
Sigaw, sigaw. Totoo, totoo na lang.
It's what you're doing, making me feel